Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new here. I am doing a video for Mercy Tiara kits. I am using the cheerful kits for this month. And I don't have any Christmas photos right now. I don't know if everybody knows this, but I did some moving and stuff. And so I don't have all of my stuff. But I figured I would do some layouts in prep for this coming season. And so I am doing some layouts. I'm just kind of putting, my little photo mats down. I did this with a couple layouts last week. I'm sorry I didn't have a video I had filmed and the entire thing was completely out of focus. That's twice this year that I have done that. Not excited about that. But I did a bunch of fussy cutting with some of the papers that were in the kit. That's where these poinsettias come from. They're so cute. I also fussy cut out those holly berries and their leaves and then some ornaments. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and place these. I don't do a ton of embellishing. I am making sure that I have stuff left over so that once I actually get the photos on the page, I can re-embellish them or add more or add journaling spots or something like that. But I like that this layout, like the paper in the background, already had some splatters on it. I thought that that was cute. I wasn't going to add any more that way. And I'm making it look like these ornaments are hung from my my flowers and stuff. I mean, I know that's not really how that would work, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's where my brain was going with this one, at least. So I'm going to just start gluing things down right now. This layout is not very in-depth. There's not a ton to do with it, but I do like the way it turns out. I actually matted 3x4 white cardstock on cardstock that was a bit bigger. That way there's about 1/8 of an inch around the edges so that there's a mat when I do add the photos, because I do typically scrapbook 3x4 photos. And I know that about me. So, you know, I just kind of planned that way. I added some foam behind my photo mats and I'm going to glue those down now. And I actually keep that red branding strip that's at the top. I keep that and I trim down the bottom and trim that 1/4 of an inch off. And yes, as always, you see me drinking my coffee, so I apologize. I'm going to glue a couple more things. I wanted, where the ornaments are coming out, I wanted the pieces kind of glued down around that area. I went ahead and cut this frame in half just to add a little bit of something at the top, because I'm also going to add a foam sticker from the side that you see over there. I thought I was going to add those, but instead I decided to take a piece of the ephemera and use it as my title, and it says Making Traditions, and I'm actually not going to use that either. I forgot that we got this gorgeous acrylic piece in the kit, and so I went ahead and pulled this out, and it says Holiday Cheer. And so I'm going to go ahead and glue that down and use that as my title. I'm going to put it right there on top of my flowers and stuff, right underneath that right-hand side photo. I'm using my little picker-upper piece thingy there to put the eye, the little dot for the top of the eye back there. You know what? I said I was going to Google that and I never did. I wonder, let's see. I am adding that foam sticker up there at the top. And I'm adding these gorgeous little gold pieces. They're the foam stickers from the thicker sheet. I'm sorry. Let's see. It says it's called a tittle. Anyways, I Googled, sorry, had to. So that little piece above the eye is called a tittle. I really hope that you enjoy this layout. I will post pictures once I have actual pictures on the layout as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, remember to like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.